Hi, my name is Guruthej and this is GroupSync. GroupSync is a real-time team collaboration platform built to solve one of the most common problems in school and work, group projects that fall apart because of poor communication, unclear responsibilities, and unequal contribution. I've built this because I've personally experienced how stressful and inefficient group work can become when there's no central place to organize tasks, track progress, and communicate. GroupSync brings everything into one clean workspace so teams can collaborate better, stay accountable, and actually enjoy working together. This is the landing page. It immediately communicates what GroupSync does: real time updates, simple collaboration, and clear visibility into progress. The design is intentionally minimal and modern so users can understand the product within seconds. It is also fully responsive so it works on any device. The goal here is clarity, not complexity. Now let's log in and see the platform in action. So for authentication, GroupSync uses a secure authentication powered by Firebase. This allows users to safely create accounts and return to their projects at any time. After logging in, users are taken to their personal dashboard, which acts as the main hub for all collaboration. This is the dashboard, and this is where everything comes together. Now let us create a project. So when we create a project, this is what it looks like. And here, users can open projects and connect with other teammates. They can see all their active projects in one place, and each project card provides information and quick context that allows for fast navigation. On this side, there is an activity feed. This updates instantly and shows actions like task completions, new commands, and member changes. This feature is important because it keeps everyone aware and prevents miscommunication. And below is the leaderboard. I designed this as a gamification system to recognize contributions and motivate participation. It helps make teamwork fair and engaging instead of frustrating. From here, users can also access their profile and settings at any time. Now, let's open one project and see how this is actually managed. And each project is its own workplace, including its own tasks, members, and discussions. Tasks are the foundation of the system. Every task includes a title, description, assigned member, priority, deadline, and status. This makes responsibilities very clear and eliminates confusion. When I open a task, I can view all details, the commitment thread. This allows team members to directly see where it happens and what's happening instead of using separate messaging apps. All updates happen in real time. If another member completes a task, it instantly updates for everyone without refreshing. Let me add a task to show you what it could look like. And we can set the difficulty to medium, and we'll say it's due tomorrow. This is what a task would look like. And it pops up in the activity feed that a task has been added, and this is who the task is assigned to, and it's in the to do. You can put it in done by just pressing this check, and it will show you that the task is done. There are also comments which will pop up over here at the bottom. Now, let's check the real-time power and technology. One of the most important aspects of GroupSync is its real-time synchronization. The app is built so no one is ever working with outdated information. Technically, GroupSync is built with React for the front end, Firebase authentication for user management, Firestore for real-time data storage, and Tailwind CSS for the interface. This allows the platform to remain fast, scalable, and reliable. There's also a team pool section where you can open a project and send messages to each other. Hello. And everyone in the team can see it, respond to it too. And when teammates want to log in, they can leave a note of how they're feeling that day and check in. Shows you it's like a timestamp, allowing for team managers to stay on task and up to date of everything that's happening. So overall, GroupSync turns chaos into an organized collaboration. It improves communication, increases accountability, and makes teamwork more transparent and motivating. I built this to improve human interaction within teams and make group work something people can actually feel confident about. Thank you for watching.